Now that thermal coverage has been determined and you've found the right insulation for the project, it's time to install. Pro tip: to ensure the best performance, any holes or openings should be sealed using caulk or other sealant before you start adding insulation. Installing our product is easy, but there are some tools that we recommend you use. It's a good idea to wear a long-sleeved shirt, work gloves, safety glasses, and a dust mask. You'll need a tape measure, straight-edge silicone mat or cutting board, and a utility knife for cutting the insulation. When using a craft-based product, a staple gun and staples will be needed if you choose to staple the product into place. It's also a good idea to have duct tape to repair and seal any holes in the facing. You may also want to grab a broom. The handle can be used to push insulation into place for hard-to-reach areas and to sweep up once the job is complete. If you're working in the attic, it's highly recommended to wear a hard hat to protect yourself from overhead hazards like protruding roofing nails. For those guests that have never installed insulation products, there are some great how-to resources on Knauf's website. These videos show step-by-step procedures for installing both blown-in and batter roll insulation. They are both informative and worth reviewing for anyone that may have questions.